Once upon a time, there was a shepherd. One morning, when he was tending his sheep, he found a hole in the sheepfold, but did nothing about it. That night, a wolf came in through the hole and carried off a sheep. When the shepherd complained to his neighbor about his loss the next day, the neighbor said, "You've lost the sheep, mend the sheepfold." But the shepherd said, "Now that the sheep is lost, why should I repair the sheepfold?" The next morning, when the shepherd went to graze his sheep, he found that the wolf had come through the hole again and carried off another sheep. He regretted that he had not listened to his neighbor and immediately began to mend the hole in the sheepfold. From then on, he never lost another sheep. Wangyangbulao literally means to mend the sheepfold after sheep are lost. This idiom is similar to better later than never and could be explained as meaning there's been some loss, so something should be done about it to prevent further loss. Wáng means lose, yáng means sheep,补means mend or repair, lao means sheepfold. Here is a naturally occurring example of the use of 亡羊补牢。以前努力不够，现在亡羊补牢还来得及，千万不可自暴自弃。Earlier, you didn't work hard enough. Now, it's still not too late to make up for it. You must not give up on yourself. Can you make a sentence with 亡羊补牢? Please share it in the comments area. There are many meaningful four-character Chinese idioms, and many have an interesting story or parable associated with them. That's all for today's idiom lesson. If you have enjoyed it, then please subscribe to the channel and like the video. Also, please leave us some messages about what you want to see more of in these Chinese idiom lessons. 谢谢，再见。